Healthy longevity is a healthy longevity that supports your healthy life. Isn't it difficult to take care of your health in your busy daily life? If you try to make small changes every day, you will soon have a healthy body and a vibrant mind. Start the Healthy Habits Challenge with me today. For older men, healthcare becomes even more important. A balanced diet is important to start each day. Healthy and energetic even in old age. For men, as they age, they may experience loss of muscle mass and decreased energy. Breakfast is the first step to energizing your day, so choose it carefully. Eating breakfast to recharge your energy for the day provides you with the energy you need for your day's activities. A diet rich in protein helps prevent muscle loss and maintain physical function. Activates brain function to improve work efficiency. Regular meals help maintain good health by reducing blood sugar fluctuations. What is a good breakfast for older men? Protein is an essential nutrient for muscle health. Fiber increases satiety and aids digestion. Healthy fats provide energy and help regulate cholesterol levels. Vitamins and minerals are essential for strengthening immunity and maintaining bodily functions. Let's take a closer look at a special breakfast recipe for the health of older men. Subscriptions, likes, and comments are a great help to us. We would like to thank you for your interest and support, and we promise to create even more substantial content. A powerful morning for older men all about oats oatmeal. Oats oatmeal, a special breakfast that maintains health in old age. Health management for an active old age. It starts with breakfast. Rich in beta-glucan, it helps control blood sugar levels and makes you feel full, making it effective for weight management. It is also good for improving intestinal health and preventing constipation. It helps manage blood sugar levels by slowly increasing them, and provides steady energy to help you have an energetic day. It helps prevent cardiovascular disease by lowering cholesterol levels and stabilizing blood pressure. It is rich in various nutrients such as vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, contributing to overall health. Its high protein content helps maintain muscle mass and prevents bone density loss. Some studies have even reported that oats can help improve sexual function by increasing male hormone levels. A variety of nutrients help strengthen immunity and prevent disease. You can enjoy it simply by boiling oats in water or milk. You can add flavor and nutrition by adding various toppings such as nuts, fruits, and honey. You can grind oats and add them to a smoothie for a hearty breakfast. You can enjoy various bakings such as cookies, muffins, etc. by adding oats. You should choose oats that are low in gluten. Consuming too much may cause indigestion. Since the appropriate amount and method of intake may vary depending on the individual's health condition, it is recommended to consult a specialist before taking it. Start your vibrant senior years with a delicious and healthy breakfast. A powerful morning for older men all about salmon. Salmon, a special breakfast that supports both brain and heart health. Salmon is an essential food for maintaining health for an active old age. Omega-3 fatty acids, which are abundant in salmon, help improve brain function and prevent memory loss. It is also effective in preventing cardiovascular disease by lowering blood pressure and inhibiting blood clot formation. It is a good source of high-quality protein, helps maintain muscle mass, and is also effective for weight management by making you feel full. It is rich in various vitamins and minerals, including vitamin B12, D, and selenium, which strengthen the immune system and have antioxidant effects. Helps prevent memory loss and dementia, and improves cognitive function. It is effective in preventing cardiovascular diseases such as hypertension and arteriosclerosis. Studies have shown that omega-3 fatty acids may also help relieve symptoms of. It helps prevent macular degeneration and is good for maintaining eyesight. You can simply season it with salt and pepper and eat it grilled. You can enjoy it refreshingly by adding salmon to salad. You can enjoy salmon easily by adding it to a sandwich. You can make soup with salmon and enjoy it warm. It is best to choose medium-sized salmon, as larger salmon may have relatively higher mercury levels. If you have a fish allergy, you should avoid eating it, since the appropriate intake amount may vary depending on the individual's health condition. It is recommended to consult a specialist before consuming. It is a highly recommended food as it has excellent effects on brain health and heart health. A hearty breakfast for older men. Everything about eggs. Eggs, a treasure trove of protein. A special breakfast that protects your health as you age. It is a food recognized for its value in health management for an active old age. It is a good source of high-quality protein, helps maintain muscle mass, and is also effective for weight management by making you feel full. It is rich in various vitamins and minerals, including vitamins A, D, E, and B12, which strengthen the immune system and have antioxidant effects. Although many people are reluctant to eat eggs because of their cholesterol content, recent research has shown that in healthy people, Egg consumption does not have a significant effect on blood cholesterol levels, helps maintain bone health by helping calcium absorption and prevent osteoporosis. Rich in lutein and zeaxanthin, it protects eye health and prevents vision loss. Eating eggs for breakfast can help you feel full throughout the day, preventing you from overeating. Fried eggs are one of the easiest recipes to enjoy. Scrambled eggs are even more delicious when stir-fried with a variety of vegetables. You can make an omelet by adding your favorite ingredients. Boiled eggs can be eaten as a simple snack or added to salads. For patients with hyperlipidemia, it is recommended to consult a doctor before taking it. If you have an egg allergy, you should avoid eating it. You should choose and consume fresh eggs. It provides the protein and various nutrients needed by older men to help them maintain a healthy life. Healthy breakfast for senior men: Greek yogurt. When it comes to healthy living for an active old age, Greek yogurt is more than just a dairy product. It's a hearty breakfast and a healthy essential food. Rich in protein and probiotics, it is very helpful in promoting the health of older men. It contains much more protein than milk, so it helps maintain muscle mass and makes you feel full, making it effective for weight management. Probiotics are rich in lactic acid bacteria that help improve gut health and enhance digestive function. Gut health is directly linked to immunity and contributes to overall health. It contains various nutrients such as vitamin B12 and potassium, which help maintain energy production and nerve function. Rich in protein, it prevents muscle loss and maintains your basal metabolic rate, increasing your energy level. Helps maintain bone health by helping calcium absorption and prevent osteoporosis. It may help regulate blood pressure and improve cholesterol levels. When served with your favorite fruits like strawberries or blueberries, it makes a refreshing and filling breakfast. You can consume both protein and healthy fats by adding nuts such as almonds and walnuts. You can enjoy a rich and crunchy texture when eaten with granola. You can blend Greek yogurt and add it to a smoothie for a hearty breakfast. Greek yogurt with added sugar can be high in sugar, so it's best to choose a sugar-free version. If you are lactose intolerant, it is recommended that you choose low or no lactose Greek yogurt or consult your doctor before consuming it. It provides a rich source of protein and probiotics needed by older men to help them maintain a healthy life. Healthy breakfast for older men: all about avocado. Avocado, find out why it is called a superfood. When it comes to maintaining good health for a vibrant old age, avocados are an essential superfood. It is a food that is especially recommended for older men as it has excellent effects on cardiovascular health and skin health. Rich in unsaturated fatty acids and oleic acid, it helps improve blood cholesterol levels and prevent cardiovascular disease. It is rich in various vitamins such as vitamins K, E, and C, and minerals such as potassium and magnesium, which strengthen the immune system and have antioxidant effects. It helps with weight management by making you feel full and improves gut health. It is effective in preventing cardiovascular diseases such as hypertension and arteriosclerosis. Rich in vitamin E and antioxidants, it prevents skin aging and keeps the skin moisturized. Rich in lutein and zeaxanthin, it protects eye health and prevents vision loss. Rich in healthy fats, it provides sustained energy to help keep you energized. You can enjoy it simply by mashing avocado and placing it on toast. You can enjoy it refreshing by adding avocado to salad. You can grate an avocado and add it to a smoothie for a hearty breakfast. You can enjoy avocado easily by adding it to a sandwich. It is high in calories, so it is recommended to consume it in moderation. If you have an avocado allergy, you should avoid eating it. It provides a variety of nutrients needed by older men to help them maintain a healthy life. It is a highly recommended food as it has excellent effects on cardiovascular health and skin health. Healthy breakfast for senior men: all about nuts. Nuts are an essential food for healthy living and active old age. It is a food that is especially recommended for older men as it shows excellent effects on cardiovascular health and brain health. Rich in unsaturated fatty acids and omega-3 fatty acids, they help improve blood cholesterol levels and prevent cardiovascular disease. It is rich in various vitamins and minerals, including vitamin E, magnesium, and zinc, which help strengthen immunity and have antioxidant effects. Dietary fiber helps you feel full, helps with weight management, and improves gut health. It is effective in preventing cardiovascular diseases such as hypertension and arteriosclerosis, helps prevent memory loss and dementia, and improves cognitive function. Rich in healthy fats, it provides sustained energy to help keep you energized. Rich in amino acids, it helps maintain muscle health. Almonds are rich in calcium and magnesium, which are good for bone health. Walnuts are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which which are good for brain health. Cashews are high in protein, which is good for muscle health. Peanuts are rich in vitamin E, which has antioxidant properties. It is high in calories, so it is recommended to consume it in moderation. If you have a nut allergy, you should avoid eating it. Eat as a snack or add it to yogurt or cereal. Sprinkle nuts on your salad for a nutty flavor. Used for baking cookies, cakes, etc. It provides a variety of nutrients needed by older men to help them maintain a healthy life. Take care of your health in small grains and enjoy a vibrant old age. Healthy breakfast for older men. The importance of vegetables. Vegetables are not just a simple side dish, they are an essential source of nutrients that maintain the health of older men. Various types of vegetables are rich in nutrients that our body needs, such as vitamins, minerals, and dietary fiber, and are very helpful in maintaining a healthy life. Vegetables are rich in various vitamins such as vitamins A, C, E, and K, as well as minerals such as potassium and magnesium, which help strengthen immunity, act as antioxidants, and control blood pressure. Dietary fiber improves gut health and helps you feel full, which helps with weight management. It is low in calories, which helps with weight management and ensures that you get a variety of nutrients. It helps prevent cardiovascular disease by lowering blood pressure and improving blood vessel health. It is rich in antioxidants and helps prevent cancer. It is rich in dietary fiber, which promotes bowel movement and improves digestive function. Vegetables rich in vitamin A help maintain eyesight. Dark green vegetables such as spinach and kale are rich in folic acid and vitamin K, which are good for blood health. Orange vegetables such as carrots and pumpkin are rich in beta-carotene, which is good for eye health. Cruciferous vegetables such as broccoli and cabbage are rich in vitamin C and fiber, making them good for strengthening the immune system. Garlic and onions have excellent antioxidant properties and help prevent cancer. It is recommended to consume plenty of raw vegetables in the form of salads, wraps, etc. It can be used in a variety of dishes by boiling or stir-frying. You can easily consume it by grinding vegetables and making juice out of them. It is an essential food for the health of elderly men. Please maintain a healthy life by consistently eating a variety of vegetables. So far, we have looked at healthy breakfast recipes for older men and their benefits. We hope that you will create a diet that suits you by utilizing various recipes and enjoy a healthy old age through regular eating habits. Good examples of protein foods include eggs, salmon, and Greek yogurt. Foods rich in fiber include oats, vegetables, etc. Good examples of healthy fat foods include avocados and nuts. It is recommended to eat a variety of vegetables and fruits as foods that provide vitamins and minerals. Here are some additional tips for a healthy breakfast. Drink at least 8 glasses of water a day to keep your body functioning smoothly. Improve your health with light exercise and stretching. Get a good night's sleep to recharge your energy. Check and manage your health regularly. A healthy breakfast is the beginning of a healthy life. Start eating a healthy breakfast today and live a vibrant old age. Subscriptions, likes, and comments are a great help to us. See you in the next video. Thank you.